How to use mirror in AutoCAD. I have this rectangle. I want to mirror it here or here. I select it. Then the shortcut is MI. Then press on space. I want this, the first point. I can move it on the X axis. I have it here, or in Y axis, and I have it here. Let's make it in X axis. Then press no. If we press no, we have a copy from it. Let's delete it. Again, MI, then press on space, this point, and X axis. If we make yes, we want to move it over here. And here it is. Again, MI, this point, and this point. Then press no. I want to select this one, MI, then press space, then this point, and this point. Again, this one, MI, then press on space, this point, and this point. Let's make it no. And we have mirror all of this. Or let's select this two. I want to make a copy here, MI, then press on space, and this point and this point. Then press no if you want to make a copy, or if you want to move this here, you press on yes. And here it is.